The Triangle, North Carolina area has grown so rapidly that the housing market has rapidly outpriced many people from the area, which is why three small towns right on the border of Orange and Alamance counties, Mebane, Haw River, and Graham, have become the new bedroom communities to Research Triangle Park, UNC, Duke University, and even Greensboro to the west. That's why I'd like you to take a look at this home priced just under $300K, 1122 Sally in Graham. The foyer at 1122 Sally is created by these amazing columns. And these are not for everyone, I understand. Our contractor said he can remove them for about $400. But wait, there's more. How about these bucolic scenes? And that's the dining room. How about there's more here in the living room? Pretty amazing. As if you're living in a mountain fantasy world. Heating and air conditioning system was replaced in 2022. All the polybutylene piping was replaced with regular PEX piping. And of course, the home is all one level with a garage and on a cul-de-sac. Folks, my name's Armand, realtor with Team Armand at eXp Realty. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see this home, my full contact information is below. Thanks for spending time with me here at 1122 Sally in Graham.